2013 Lexus RX 350, one owner with 20,000 miles on it. One senior owner, all original, no accidents. Death in the family is the reason why they traded it in. Every possible option on this vehicle. Navigation, backup camera, blind spot monitoring, heated and air-conditioned front and rear seats, alloy wheels, parking sensors front and rear, remote start, push button start, a like new vehicle. Not a door ding, scratch, rock chip on the vehicle. Power seats, power windows and locks, blind spot monitors in the mirrors, telescoping steering wheel, 20,000 miles, navigation, backup camera, heated and air-conditioned seats, owner's manual, both sets of keys, all the original floor mats. When I say a new vehicle, it is a new vehicle. Back seats have never been sat in. Moonroof. (2013) Lexus RX 350, 20,000 original miles, every possible option.